Hey guys, it is Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop, and today I'm going to show you guys how I warm up my rotator cuffs. So, to start, all you need is one long band. It doesn't matter what type of resistance the band is because we're not going to be pulling it or anything like that. This band is my heavy band from my Cheetah long band set available on tonyasbakeshop.com. Alright guys, so you're going to hold onto the band nice and wide. You want it outside of shoulders width, standing up nice and tall. Your feet are going to be at a nice athletic stance with your heels just at your hips or right outside of your hips, toes pointing straight. Squeezing your abs tight, you're going to hold the band right in front of you, nice and wide. Your eyes are going to be forward, chin is up. Squeeze your abs and you're going to bring the band up and around. Tap the booty and then come back forward. So you want to make sure from the side profile that you're not overarching your back and your chest isn't up and extended. So you want to lower your chest, bring your spine nice and neutral, pull those shoulder blades open, and lift that band up and around. If this is very, very intense, sometimes my clients are only able to get here before they have to overarch and compensate in order to get the band around. If that does happen to you, no worries. So we're just going to stop wherever your back starts to give. You end there. Come right back down. And up again. Each time, you're gonna try to get a little bit further, keeping that back nice and straight until you're able to smoothly come all the way around. You're gonna perform this exercise for about 10 to 15 reps, 2 to 3 rounds, and then you're going to hold the band. Starting with your right hand, we're gonna use your right arm and trace a big circle. Then your left arm is also going to follow. Around the left side, we're gonna go 5 to 10 reps. And the right side, 5 to 10 reps. Nice big circles. If it's a little crunchy in there, that is normal, guys. Don't force anything. Don't force yourself to like open your shoulder a ton if it feels like super crunchy, super tight, and just like really, really painful. Know your body and know your own limits. When you're stretching, you want to take it slow at first. Sometimes stretching things feels so good and then we tend to overstretch and injure ourselves. So when you're doing these exercises, please be kind to your body and know your limits. It is way better to start off slower than jumping in head first and then injuring yourself and having to take, time off or a break. So again, we're gonna do long band in front, 10 reps, then big arm circles with the band, 5 to 10 reps around each shoulder. Again, you can perform these anytime you're doing any type of upper body exercise, or if you want to just add a little bit more mobility into your shoulders and rotator cuff complex. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for clicking and watching. If you guys would like to see any more stretches, mobility type videos on my channel, please drop the comments below and continue to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great day, guys.